this lecture we'll see solving the sending email error which we have in the previous lecture. Okay, so we got this error because there are too much. So get address info. Actually this error is a little bit tricky. So this is because just a settings.py we declare a comma unnecessarily. So because of this we got the error. And send mail we should declare it over here before save this into the database. So you can put this method means anywhere, but this is the standard practice, so there is no such rules over there, but so okay, fine. So just library membership, congratulations. Okay, fine. So just again refresh it and just write the demo1, just copy paste, write password and register. Okay, great. So this is the error because we provide the wrong username and password to the SMTP. So this error is occurred, that SMTP authentication error. This error says that username and password not accepted. Okay, fine. So this indicates that the send email function is working properly. So if you provide username and password correctly, then it will send the email to the recipient. Okay, fine. So this is the static, and if you want to get the email address of the recipient, then this can be used. So if we printed this out, print email, and go back again and again, register, and first go to the terminal and just register and just check to the terminal. This is the SMTP error, but before the SMTP error we got the email, right? So demo1@demo.com, which is the email ID which we have provided, or which user will provide, and we need to set this email ID into the list of the recipients, which is over here. So if we set the email just like this, so the email will be fetched from here. Okay, fine. So if we want to create a list of email list is equal to, we can create a list of emails just like this list of email, and just put it over here just like this, and just again something like this, abc@abc.com, and dummy data just to show you, and this email as well. Okay, so after this we can pass this list over here. Okay, fine. So the email will be sent to all the recipients which is declared over the list. Fine. So this is the send mail functionality, and we can put the local host for now. If you want to use SMTP, you can use SMTP, and this is what we can do, and we need to do this, and we don't need this. If we are providing static, then we don't need this username and password, but if we fetch the username from the settings, then we need to provide settings.email email_user. So okay, user, it will fetch the email ID from the email host user from the settings. Okay, fine. So this is how you can provide, and if there is a contact us form, you can create the contact us form by your own, just like the contact us form, just like any website have, and you can contact us form just like this. So okay, you can create form like this: name, phone number, email address, comments and questions. So this you can create this form by your own, you need to just create a model which contains the fields like name, phone number, email address, and comments and questions. Okay, and submit button. And you need to create a form and inherit or use the model form, forms.model form, and declare the fields name, phone number, email address, and comments. After that, you need to create a view just like we create for the register view. You need to create contact us view. So in that you need to fetch the data like this. This is the form which you have created in the forms.py. So search, okay, this is the form which we have created and we have used this form over here. Okay, fine. So you can print it out, you can provide the title of your form, and you can check the form is valid or not. And if it is valid, then you can save this data. You can get the email address like this, and after that you can declare the send email functionality. You can provide the subject of mail and so on. Okay, fine. So whenever any user in your website, whenever any user signed up or register in your website or in your anything in your project, then he or she can got the mail of the congratulations and something like that. And if anyone need to contact you, so that he or she can contact you through this form, and you got the reminder or you got the message that this is the reminder that this much context has been received. Just reset it. Okay, fine. So this is basically a send mail functionality. You can go through the Django send email documentation, and there are so many subject, message from email, recipient list, and mass mail. This is used in the marketing campaigning, which is used by many of us, and so on. Mail admins, the only if you want to provide the validations that or the specific admin or specified rules that admins should get this email. So mail underscore admins, and managers should get the mail. So mail underscore managers, and here is the examples which is provided by the Django. Okay, fine. So this is it for the sending email functionality, and in the very next video we'll see the Django sessions and the pretty much important some little bit different sessions which we have seen in the login and register, but we'll see Django sessions in the very next video. If you have